Today I show you how to factory reset your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL Android phone, and this works on most Android phones the same way, and especially on Google Pixel phones. If you want to erase all the data on this phone, first you want to make sure that you copied all the information, all the photos out from your Google Pixel phone. So I don't want to backup. I don't want to do any backup. So this is a picture I took. This is a picture I took earlier. This is actually the setup how I'm recording this video. So if I'm doing a reset, these pictures will not be there anymore unless they are backed up to the cloud or I copy them. Before you reset your Android phone, make sure you connect an SSD drive and copy over any pictures, documents you might want, or back them up in the cloud so you can have the Google Drive and you can have Google Photos. Just make sure that, for example, these pictures, if I wanted to copy over these pictures, I could use an external SSD drive and use the file manager. I could use the Google Files app, and here I have, you see, this is the SSD. This is the internal storage. So I want to go to the external storage. DCIM camera, and you see these pictures and one video. They are all on the internal storage. Select all, and I could even move them to the external SSD. So I could put them here. So I'll move these files to the external SSD before the reset, so I don't lose them. In your case, you might have a lot of pictures. This might take a bit of time. It's okay. You can put the phone on the desk and wait until it's finished. Make sure when you start this, you also start with the full battery. I don't know why it's taking so long. I think I put the USB cable the wrong way. Sometimes these USB-C cables, they have to be a specific way. Okay, so files moved. Let's check in the SSD folder. So I made a new folder, Pixel. Okay, so I'm recording a video with the Google Pixel. So that's the video from the Google Pixel, and I can eject the Samsung SSD. Now the SSD is removed. When the light is turned off, then you can remove it. Okay, so now I can unplug the SSD. Now I'm ready to do the reset. Even the pictures are not there anymore. It's easier to make sure that I copied and moved all the files. To do a factory reset on your Google Pixel Android phone, open the Settings app, and in the Settings app you want to scroll until you see System Settings. Tap on System. Under System you want to look for Reset Options. This is all the way down, Reset Options. And if you have another reason that if you don't want to sell your Google Pixel Android phone or give it away to someone, maybe you just have some problems with the phone, you can do the reset mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can reset app preferences. Be careful with the eSIM. You might lose your eSIM if you do this. You might have to contact your carrier to get a new QR code. Also, you can delete the private space, but if you want to do a factory reset, this will delete everything, all the documents, all the files on your phone. The Google account will be removed from your Google Pixel Android phone, and it will be like new as you took it out from the box. So this is ideal if you're going to give away your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, or even give it as a gift or sell it. I'm not going to give away this phone. This is only a demonstration here now. So erase all data, factory reset. This will erase all the data, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other data. And this is the account that I have signed into. And then tap to continue, tap erase all data. Then I have to enter the PIN of my Google Pixel Android phone, and the PIN is very simple, but you shouldn't have a simple PIN like this. This is only because of a test. It's a test. And one last question, all your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. You do this at your own risk. If you follow this video, you have to watch it until the end and then start doing it if you really want to do this. So erase all data. And it's gonna take one restart, and then it's gonna start again like it's a new phone. I think the erase was done, and now it's the same as when it starts. You have a new phone ready to set up. From here, you can either power off your Google Pixel phone, so you can do a long press on the power button and press turn off. If you're going to give away your Google Pixel phone, make sure you also remove the SIM card. If you have a SIM card here, a physical SIM card, if you had an eSIM on your phone, now it's not going to be there anymore. And the physical SIM card, you have to remove it. You have to remove the SIM card tray and remove the SIM from here. And then the phone will be completely like new. So now this phone is off and is ready to be shipped or to be given to someone who has it as a new phone. Thanks for watching.